and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you to add the list of discount reasons on your sales screen. What I mean by that is if we just log in, go to sales mode. So we put some things in the cart already and you want to apply a discount to it. So we go to special functions, discount percentage, say 10%, accept. This list here, so we can add more items here to this list that are more applicable to yourself. So let's go for a cancel on that one. Get rid of that. Exit sales screen. Okay, so we go over to settings administration, software settings, over to basic store settings. Then we've got a list down here. The one I want to go for is discount reasons up here. Click on that one. Give that a quick refresh. And as you can see, there are all my discount reasons. So let's add a new one here. So add and put in whatever reason you like. So loyalty discount. We'll accept that. That is now added to the list. Go for save settings. Let's go back over to the sales screen. Back over to sales mode. Special functions. Percentage discount. 10%. And there you have it. So that has now popped up in that list there. You can now apply it. And now it actually pops up in the actual cart now as well with your actual description. I do hope that's been useful. Thank you very much for watching. Check us out next time. Thank you.